fractions, alright? So, here we have Luke and we have Boris on the drum kit. Alright, so let's go to the board. But first things first, Boris, can you pick a pen for me? What pen do you want? Nice, really good. You've got an orange one, that's beautiful. So, now, here, let's try another one. So, here, we have a line, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw some checkpoints on it, okay? So, how many checkpoints have we got here? How many lines?
8.
7 or 8? Who wants 7?
1, 2, 3.
Very good, there's 7 checkpoints here. Now, what we're going to do is connect them together to make a box like this, okay? But I'm going to draw one more. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to colour in some of these boxes here, like this, right? Now, a fraction is basically the top number is how many you've coloured in. So I've coloured in 2 boxes. And the bottom number is how many boxes there are in total. So how many boxes are there in total?
4.
Exactly. So the fraction is 2 over 4. Very good. All right, so now, can you both come to the board with me? Come to the board. Go, go, go. What is that fraction, okay? So what number goes on top? All right, which one goes on the bottom, Luke? Hey, well done. Give me a high five, guys. And again. Yeah. Well done. Thank you for watching another tutorial here today. Big up for our guests here. We've got Luke and Boris, and we'll see you at the next video tutorial.